This will be a video chart on ticker symbol ORRV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice move. I don't think anybody's going to sit around and argue and say that today wasn't a good move for the price. It was definitely a good day for the bulls, but that does lead to the question, is there any sort of true power behind this price action? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward, and in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. I love charts, makes things very straightforward. So that key level of support right here at 002. Why is 002 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 002. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this area where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game, right? That's what you want to see. Trulish, bullish moves are going to progress over time in the upwards direction. So to me, it's all about building those stair steps, and I'm defining that key stair step there at 002. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move's going to continue upwards, where are some of these battlegrounds at? At this point, I'm just going to really focus on one because I guess I'll explain that in a second. But the key level of resistance going forward up there at 0035, you can see quite a bit of price congestion right up around that area. So 0035, where the sellers seem to be currently hanging out. But like I said, in my opinion at least, the top priority is not breaking through levels of resistance. Top priority is building higher bases, going through healthy consolidations, and working on those stair steps. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice day today. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.